If your Chevy Equinox backup camera is showing a black screen or glitching, let's troubleshoot the most common causes in just 2 minutes. Data shows that 70% of rear camera failures are actually due to simple wiring corrosion rather than a dead camera module. Let us break down the diagnostic steps to isolate the fault. Start by cleaning the lens, rebooting your infotainment system, and checking the fuse box for any blown circuits. The most frequent culprits are a corroded tailgate wiring harness, a damaged video cable, or a loose ground connection. If the wiring checks out, you might be looking at a failed camera module or an internal issue with the HMI module. You can handle cleaning contacts and replacing fuses yourself, but deeper module reprogramming is usually a job for the dealer. Expect to pay significantly more if the camera module itself requires replacement compared to a simple fuse or cleaning fix. Use an OBD scanner to read body codes and a multimeter to verify power at the camera connector before buying parts. Have your plastic trim tools, contact cleaner, and a basic socket set ready before opening up the tailgate panel. Always disconnect the negative battery terminal before poking around electrical connectors to avoid shorting the system. Start with the easy fixes and you will likely save yourself a trip to the shop. Thanks for watching.